Hey gang, welcome back to Inverter Pursuits Laboratory. If you're listening to this one on the Credi audio, I'm sorry, I tried a new mic setup. It's not all working, but maybe we got lucky and it worked. If you're seeing this though, it didn't. What we're working on this week for the death trap is we are going to run all of the electrical wiring from the motorcycle all the way to the front of the vehicle, along with mounting in the new shifter for the vehicle. I'm having to order an extended clutch cable and throttle cable assembly in order to get it up to the front of the car. Every other method I have messed around with for mounting it is not working, so we're having to ditch out and go the route of buying custom cables. But let's get going on the wiring and the shifter. Alright gang, so we have gotten all of the wiring, as you can actually see down here, is all run down the center tube on the vehicle, and now all comes out up here. I've actually got the vehicle turned on right now, and this is one of my favorite. These are the horns. And I can even come up here and start the vehicle if I were to do that. So I've got a lot of the electronics. Well, actually, I've got all of the electrical pulled to the front of the car, and everything is even pulled off. I've even got the brake sensor working, so I come and set you guys back here, and you watch the brake light there. When I press the brakes, the brake light turns on, which is awesome to me. So what we're now moving on to is I'm messing with the shifter, which I've got the shifty lever arm right here, and various connectors are starting to get run. mechanical drive, I actually had some fun. I rigged up my clutch right here so I could pull the clutch, and my throttle was just temporarily this that I just pulled on, and I could shift with the shifter. I did run into an issue. This is supposed to be upright, that I sheared this tube back here, right at this joint. So I'm gonna have to cut this tube out and replace it, but I'll get to that later. And I do now have the entire wiring harness up front. So now that we have everything in place, it's on to the next, but we're on hold until we get the new the new clutch and throttle cable for the vehicle. And once we have that, we will continue on. But thanks for watching, gang. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see more, stick around. Please consider subscribing and check me out on my website and Facebook, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, gang.